Welcome to lesson 118, subtract polynomials. This is, I believe, the fourth in a series of 19 dealing with polynomials. So please watch the earlier videos that started at 115 of dealing with polynomials. All right, here's our objective, vocabulary. Please pause the video and read through the vocabulary. Degrees of monomials, how to name polynomials and identify their degree. Some other namings of polynomials. Okay, now what is clear here, or what is not clear here, is that when you have a negative outside of a parenthesis, it's understood to be a 1. If there's no number after a negative sign in between any type of grouping, it's understood to be a 1. So what you have to do here is distribute this negative 1. Lots of students will put the negative 1 here, but they forget to distribute it to the second term. So I'm going to rewrite everything. X minus 5 minus x squared minus 2x squared plus, because a negative times a negative is a positive, 2x. And so now we're going to group everything together. We're going to circle and use the symbol in front of the letter. Okay, so our underlines are x squared, so we have negative 3x squared, because that is a 1. X plus 2x is plus 3x minus 5. And this is how you subtract polynomials. You have to distribute the negative outside of a grouping inside every term in the grouping. And again, same thing. Put a 1 there, distribute, distribute, distribute. So you have y squared minus 8y plus 1. Negative times negative is positive 6y minus 14 minus 5y squared. And now we combine like terms. Okay, let's see. Underlines. 1y squared minus 5y squared is minus 4y squared. Minus 2y plus 1 is minus 13. Very simple. You should be able to do this easily. And so those were our two examples. Please practice the practice problems, and I will see you at the end of the video for a recap. So it's very similar to adding polynomials, but just be aware to distribute any negatives to every term inside the group. And that's where a lot of students go wrong with subtracting polynomials. Okay, so we put our 1 here, we distribute, we got 7x squared minus 4xy plus 3xy minus 2y squared. Okay, so now watch how this works. You get 7x squared y minus xy minus 2y squared. Okay, so when you line up terms in alphabetical order, x's obviously go first. You have an x and a y. Even though this is a y squared, your x takes precedence alphabetically. If they were all y's, then it would be something different. But be careful when you line them up in standard form, the alphabetical order. Okay, put your 1 here, distribute, distribute, distribute. So I'm just going to rewrite everything. Minus 2x squared minus x plus 4. And then 5x and 2x becomes 3x squared. 6x minus 1x becomes plus 5x. Plus 3 plus 4 becomes plus 7. Okay, same thing. Distribute, distribute, distribute. 2x squared minus 8x plus 4 plus x squared. And please, I told you before when solving equations, do one step at a time and rewrite everything. It just makes it so much easier. 2x plus 1x squared, 2x squared plus 1x squared becomes 3x squared minus 8x minus 7x minus 15x. 4 minus 15 is negative 11. And there you go. And for our final problem, put your 1 right here, distribute, distribute, and distribute. Okay. So, negative 13xy plus 9y squared minus 14x squared y. Now, because this x squared and this is an x, the x squared takes precedence. So this is going to be a first term, this is going to be a second term, this is going to be a third term. And then over here you have a y plus 11y minus 10x squared y plus 7x. That's a 7x. Okay. So we need no x squared terms. So your x squared y's so that's x squared times y. If I was writing this, I would write 7x. Then I would do x squared y because they're different terms. Minus 24x squared y minus 13xy plus 9y squared plus 11y. So you only had 2 like terms out of all of these monomials. So even though the x squared is higher than the x, it's multiplied to y. So your x still takes precedence because it's not multiplied, it's not combined with a y. So it still follows standard form. And that is our video for today. Hopefully everything was clear. There will be more videos coming up on polynomials, and please watch the whole series through no matter where you are, because it's always good to go back and get the foundation before you move forward. So thanks for watching, and I hope to catch you on the next video.